So this is another video on the Foxtecc channel. This time we talk about how you can get your hotspot to work faster on the iPhone. So when you are connected with these devices and you share Wi-Fi from the iPhone, you want to at first ensure that the proximity is good enough, if that makes sense. You just want to make sure that the devices are close enough to each other. As you know, the further away you are, the connection is going to get weaker. But yeah, that's the first thing to pay attention to. The second one is inside of the settings of your iPhone from which you are sharing the data. And in there, you need to head over to the personal hotspot. And there is one toggle called maximize compatibility. And if you have that turned on, it might help you with more devices and being able to connect it there. But if you are already connected without any issues, I'd recommend you to keep this toggle turned off, as you can even read there that the internet performance may be reduced for devices when this option is turned on. So this toggle makes it more accessible, but a little bit slower and the performance is worse. So I would recommend you to keep it turned off if you have no trouble connecting to that network. Besides that, the signal and the speed depends on your carrier and the strength of your reception. So just pay attention to your regular mobile data, try it out for yourself before sharing to see how fast it is. You can even test it out with a speed test app and perform a test of how fast your connection is. And that's going to be determined by, of course, there are other things like the carrier and your plan and the speed which you are paying for through your carrier and stuff like this. So, these are the things which you can do about it. I honestly hope that I could help you out at least a little bit with this. I hope you managed to get it to work the way that you want. And if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe below to this channel, and I'm going to catch you in the future one.